How do you use the whiteboard on the iPhone? Let me explain it. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, there are plenty of whiteboard apps which you can find on the App Store. So you can literally look that up and you're going to be greeted with a bunch of third-party apps. As I said, the most common one by far is the Microsoft whiteboard, just because it's developed by such a big company. It's pretty reliable and you can link it with all of your Microsoft accounts and the other services as well. So that might work fine, but you basically just download the app and use the blank space and the pens to add something to the whiteboard. But there is also one app which is likely part of your phone already, and it's made by Apple, and it's called the Freeform. And this is technically a whiteboard as well, because the way that it works is that this is like an infinite canvas app. Not entirely infinite, but you get my point. You can like zoom in and out and have things ready in here. So you can add elements, you can use the pen tool and add stuff to it, and essentially work with the like vision board or that kind of thing. It's ideal for that purpose, but it works well because you can add more things to it and like zoom in and out. And as I said, you can also type in the actual text with the keyboard or use the pencil. I mean, it's ideal to use it on an iPad where the screen is much larger, but it also works on the iPhone. And if you use the same Apple account, it will also be synced. So, it works well, but that is like the most common way how people use the whiteboard on the iPhone. So I would look more into the Freeform. Like, it is really easy to use it once you just start. Once you get inside, you can see all of the tools below, so you can just add objects or add a text or draw something. It is up to you to decide what it will be, of course. So it's pretty simple beyond at this point. So let me know what you think below. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.